I thought it was this charge. I was like, this.
Better be getting that new item. Oh, we knew you was gonna go.
Bro, you gotta give me some of that.
What is it? Hard working. Now, let me get a bite. I just want a bite. I love thirst.
That nigga look like, why you always lying? Don't he look like that nigga?
Oh, yeah.
Ugly ass.
No,
Employee.
not. A fly to the air.
Come on.
It's really gross.
It's really cool. You want what? You want to buy it? You buy it. You buy it. I want to know how much it costs. To be asking. I didn't like about $1,000. Hey, buddy.
You like the puppy? You like the puppy? Ano, you like the puppy? Ano bahate? Ale. He's over here. You like the puppy?
Sit down.
Ew.
What happened?
I bet it's wee wee.
That touches wee wee.
Girl.
Oh.
Girl.
Oh, it's a boy.
Let's do.
That's a boy, girl.
It's a girl.
Baby.
You want to see a big dog? You want to see a big dog?
Yeah.
No, he's not big. He's
I remember when I was
Hey, baila. Hey, what you doing, Nana? What you doing, Nana? Hey. Okay. Don't do that. He likes your shirt.
Lucky.
Margarita's talking.
Yeah, don't grab his tail. It's okay. Hey, what did he do to you?
Here, come here.
He didn't mean to.
He said sorry.
Okay, get Blackie. Touch Blackie. Touch Blackie. Hey, he likes Alan. He goes. It looks like what? Jayla? Yeah. Alan, play the guitar. Oh, don't let him drink that. That boy finna be R.I.P. You like the dog yet?
Yes.
Hey, put your foot up. Honestly.
Stop.
Alright, we're gonna leave, alright, puppy?
Oh, the
your car.
Alan, Aaron, look. Alan.
I was like, what? Where are you?
Damn, look at that baby bump.
Hayden,
Hey, how are you?
completing my registry.
These boys are bored. What's up, dude? You bored? Huh? You bored? Look at this little dude.
Apples on it?
Oh my god, I need to hear
That's the apple.
way back like throwback.
They don't know they're berries.
Alright, let's go. Hold my hand. Jonathan, get Alan.
Here,
Come on, come on, come on.
here, here. Get the no.
No, those. Oh, shit. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it, bring it, bring it back. Bring it back. Oh, here we go. What a fan. Let me see it. Let me see it.
I'll be right back, boy. It's kind of confusing though. Watch out, watch out. John, come back. Get off of that mean bike. Bro, someone's there.